Magdan.
Mag-WhatsApp ka mga kabistak.
What's up mga kabistak?
Oh, how was your day today?
How was school?
How was your
Nag-write pa ka.
school? How was your school?
Mag-Filipino, AP, Math,
What else pa man?
drink water,
Tapos?
eat hotdog.
Eat hotdog. It's true or no?
No?
Hotdog imong giit ganina or no?
No?
O unsa man gid ang giit nimo?
Down chair.
Sit down ka sa chair. Unsa man imong giit ganina? Eat ka ng
Fudgy bird! Yellow!
fudge bar yellow or fudge bar green?
Fudgy bird yellow.
And then what else pa?
Uy.
Wiwi si Gab. And then what else pa?
Mag-write pa ka.
Alright, din si Gab. Wow! And then what else pa ang gibuhat ni Gab? Mag? Unsa man?
Wiwi ka.
Oh, nagwiwi naman ka. And then unsa pa?
Mag-write.
Unsa man imong gi-write?
Sa
Unsa imong gi-write? Ano yung ni-write mo kanina? Write ka ng?
nang
Wala na?
wala na.
It's okay na?
It's okay na.